Wowzer, these really tasty Traeger smoked pork belly burnt ends recipe is so freaking good. We turn them into tacos all the time with the leftovers. So all you do is you start with this really big pack of like Costco style pork belly, and you're going to actually make pork belly cubes at first, about 2 to 3 inches thick. You want to make sure you get equal parts fat and the meat in it. It's really easy to slice up. Toss all of that into a large mixing bowl and season the pork belly burnt ends for smoking with some barbecue dry rub until it's fully coated, and also make sure to put some olive oil on there so it gets right in. You want to massage all of that dry rub seasoning into the pork belly, and then it's time to place it on a wire rack for smoking. So luckily this like just basically fits onto the wire rack. Here we're using quite a few pounds of pork belly, and this is a great smoker recipe for a crowd. So just pop it in the fridge till you're ready to smoke them. Put the wire rack directly on the smoker grate. It's just easier to flip them over. You could always spray some nonstick spray on it. Our wire rack here is nonstick. All right, so once they reach about 160 degrees Fahrenheit, as you saw there, it's time to transfer all of that to a large aluminum pan or like metal pan that you have and make the barbecue sauce. So barbecue sauce, some beer, all of this goes into the mix. You're gonna, there's also like brown sugar on there. It all gets right into that delicious partially smoked pork belly. You want to season all over. And then you also, in addition to the sugar, sorry, I'm like watching this as I'm talking and it looks so good. I'm getting hungry. So in addition, you put brown sugar on top and butter. That's all going to melt in there as it cooks. Top it all with some aluminum foil and pop it back in the smoker. It's kind of like an oven at this point because it's smoking at about 250 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's pretty low and slow. And the second smoke is for about 1.5 hours until it's done, which that's when the internal temperature reaches about 200 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to use an internal read thermometer to check it. Well, you can print out all these recipe directions at sipbytego.com. I have so many delicious smoker recipes there for you to enjoy. Until next time, have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!